Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your language back to English. So first of all, open your Instagram application. So you might mistakenly clicked a wrong language or you just want to change it to English. So first of all, here on the bottom, click on this profile icon. Here you can see three dot icon. So now on here on the right top, click on this icon. Now slowly scroll down. Here, just identify this icon of language and select it. So here, select the first option, English. So now your language has been changed. So this is the easy and quick way to change your language back to English in Instagram. Thank you for watching.